Hello everyone and welcome to this review on AIG Travel Guard insurance. Is it the best choice? Well, stick around to the end of this video as we'll be guiding you through the different policies and their benefits, the pros and cons, any other relevant add-on options, and at the end you'll be able to choose for yourself if it's the best choice for you. So Travel Guard offers a variety of plans for prospective customers, including plans oriented towards sports enthusiasts, last-minute travelers, and those looking to save money. The policies issued by Travel Guard are underwritten by the National Union Fire Insurance Company of Pittsburgh, and this basically means it's unlikely to default on any payments. So generally speaking, Travel Guard policies cover trip interruption and trip cancellation, Travel Guard health insurance coverage, trip delays, emergency evacuation, and baggage insurance. Now, we'll be taking you through the options of policies that are available, and they have a broad array of inclusions, and all these inclusions are aimed at making you pick a choice depending on your preference or circumstances. Now, if you're interested in trip cancellation, Essential, Preferred, and Deluxe has 100% of trip costs cancellation cover. Pack and Go, on the other hand, does not include this. Then for trip interruption, you have 100% of trip covered costs for Essential and 150% for both Preferred and Deluxe. For Pack and Go, you also have 100%, but it's capped at $1,000. For emergency medical, they all vary, as Essential comes up to $15,000 and Preferred goes up to $50,000. The Deluxe goes up to $100,000 and Pack and Go gives you a top of $25,000. Baggage costs also vary greatly, with Essential giving you a cover of $750 for loss and $200 for a delay, while the Preferred policy gives you a baggage loss cover of up to $1,000 and a delay of $300. The Deluxe plan gives you a loss of up to $2,500 for baggage loss and $500 for a delay. And for the Pack and Go, you have up to $1,000 for loss of baggage and $200 for delays. And to dig into more detail, depending on the plan you have, they may include quarantine coverage, adventure spot coverage, wedding cancellation, cancel for any reason or CFAR, rental car insurance, medical coverage upgrade, amongst others. Well, at this point, you might be wondering which of the plans might be best for you if you're really into Travel Guard insurance. Well, you'll need to look at the different options and see which is best for you according to your circumstances and budget and make a choice. So, is Travel Guard insurance good? With a variety of plans from which to choose, including one that significantly is cheaper than others, it's easy to justify a purchase of Travel Guard insurance policy. So do let us know which you'll be picking, and let us know if this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.